Chris Haynes. We got the water bottle bird feeder here. One day, I was standing outside just drinking through my water bottle, you know, and I seen this hungry looking bird. I was like, it looks hungry. So I decided to come up with this, the water bottle bird feeder.
I'm Dylan Noncoy, and I'll be explaining the price of how much we're selling this for and how much it was made. So the spoon costs 10 cents, the water bottle is $1, and the bird feed is $3. So it cost $4.10 to make, and we're selling it for $6, which gives us a profit of $1.90.
Back when I'm the salesman for water bottle bird feeder, and our target customer is the elderly.
I'm Victor, and I'm the manufacturer for this product at WBBF. This company is located in the USA, and we have our team right here to produce this product.